like an easier way without having to pick the lock. that really sucked.
A few guards.
Okay.
Residents upstairs. Stealing the mask shouldn't be a problem.
Knock you out. Okay. Open you up. No, I don't want this. Throw you over here. Get out of here. Open you. There we go. That's what I wanted. Seal you. Seal you. Close it like nobody was ever here. Open you. Seal you. Steal you. And close it. This is not let me see through walls or anything. No. That's kind of stupid.
I feel like I can think and act faster
stop.
than normal when I concentrate. What happened to me?
I don't think anyone just kind of picked that out. Just saying. Thank you for 20 things of gold. Some stuff over here I can steal. Do. Okay. Open you. Open you. There you go. And open you. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Wasted my time. Nothing. Found a brooch. What the hell's a brooch? Is that one of those pin things? Necklace. Well, me spawning in here went a lot better than come on. There we go. And sweet spot. Oh, there we go.
These jewels are glass.
Steal you.
Still, it'll fetch good coin from someone who doesn't know better. I'll see myself out. Upstairs window should get me over that gate.
Steal you. Steal you. Anything in here? Nope, of course not. Oh, can I have bodies in here? If I can hide bodies in there, that'd be a world of usefulness. Oh, I can't hide bodies in there. Okay. What is that? Is that an alarm? Oh. Oh, it's a light switch. Okay. I thought it was an alarm. Like, why did I press that? I'm an idiot. Okay. Oh, hello there, friend. Okay. Can you turn somewhere else for me? Thank you.
Solder's still not.
Nothing. Knock you out, buddy. Sorry. Destroy you. Take you. Take you. Take the letter. It's a nice letter. I didn't mean to do that, actually. Take you. Are his eyes still open? Ew! I only knocked him out and his eyes are still open. That's really creepy. Why did you... Oh, that's not the one I took. I thought that was the light I put out. Okay. Never mind. Fire arrow. I like that. I like the sound of that. No, I don't wanna go out just yet. Let's check upstairs. Okay. Can I go in here? Oh. Are you sleeping? I can't tell if he's sleeping. Are you... I'm guessing you're sleeping? Just gonna... You know, walk around you, take some stuff from you. The whole shebang. Do. I can't take anything from him. Okay. That was a worthless waste of time. Well, not really. I got the one thing that was in front of him. Let's turn this out. Okay, at least this game's smart. It doesn't just shut the door in your face. You actually get, like, pulled out. Okay, Are you sleeping too? God, these guys suck. Take you. Thank you. I don't even know what I just took, but whatever. Okay. Take you. Take you. Thank you. Okay. Where am I supposed to go? It's always good to check these places. A letter opener. That was a freaking pimped out letter opener, man. Did you see that? I don't think I could ever be like a thief like this. I just talk way too much. Oh, there's someone here. Okay, let's go. I don't know what that noise was. Just keep walking. Oh, that just exposed me like all hell. Let's turn that off. Pretend like that didn't happen. A bedroom. Anything valuable? That's a weird. Oh, that's a coat hanger. I'm like, what the hell is that? Okay. I don't know what you are. Just a newspaper? Who watches the watch hounds? I guess. Is that what that said?
This is my way out. But once I drop down, there's no coming back.
Yeah. She's gonna get up as soon as I walk in here. Take you. And out we go. Ugh. Okay. Ew, what the hell? Oh, they're leaves. I thought they were like dead rats or something. Hold to enter. Pop it open, pop it open, pop it open, pop it open, pop it open. God, why is it so hard to open this window? It should not have been that hard. None of the other ones were that hard. Open you.
The old man remembers the Shellbridge fires. Flames so bright, night became day. Or was it smoke so thick, day became night?
Well, I read that before the Baron was born, the city was at war.
Read it, did you?
Okay.
Nothing like being
How the hell am I supposed to do this?
all manner of shit. Fires, plagues.
Don't forget the war.
It was with the Black, alright? More of a squabble than a war. Once our neighbors catch wind of the shit piles we're in now, you'll see a bloody war.
I can make it. I can make it.
Wonder if the Baron can do something to stop us.
I can make it.
Watch Allie.
Oh.
Only to step lightly.
Shit, would we get more
Are
coin?
you walking up here? Get in here. Okay. I know this guy is gonna be coming back down here in a second. So, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I wish I could like peek out here a little bit more. Because I know as soon as I leave here, it's gonna be right there on. Yeah, let's just wait till his next walk around. Let's go. I'm too impatient for that. Just a water arrow. You out.
You're kidding!
I swear. Oh, please, sir. Please, sir. You can smell that shit himself.
Oh, they're both guards. I thought one of them
Think
was.
sleep's not rare enough?
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am. Captain's orders. He said her with the face that the rakers would throw back in the river. Try to make it crack a smile.
Die of the gloom already! Do everyone a favor!
Careful. She's off to fetch the piss pot.
Okay, so mean.
They cry about martial law, but you don't see him leave.
We locked the gates, you fog skull.
I'm making this way too easy on themselves.
Now, blue.
Who?
That was pretty touched. Dodge. Judge. Whatever the hell I said.
The Baron should have been one of his speeches about this doctor's business. People love Francis.
When was that?
Okay. I have to walk around you. Don't feel like dealing with you guys.
You're from our Beastport way, right? Is the gloom there yet?
Yep. River drains were clogged with the drought.
Okay.
Right.
Ah, ew.
Giants.
Oh, look, I made it. It's like a demonic run. Taking this place in the hideout. Completed. Chapter 5G. Lockdown. I almost said Chapter 5. Predator. Use of aggressive actions and overcome opponents by any means necessary. Ghost. Opportunist. Predator. Damn. I like took everyone out. Headshot 4 threats. Lift all the items down. I thought I would have gotten more than 46%. I stole a lot of stuff. Just knock out dogs and birds. Choke arrows. Okay. Am I the only one that was here? This is my hideout. Okay.
Jennifer.
Like a special bird or something? Are those tiny little books? What are those? Where the hell are you? Come see me when you get a chance, B. Okay. That was, interesting. City Stone Market. Are you sure we should go to this? Yeah, sure, why not? Actually, let's walk around here for a second. I don't even know it's like in here. Is that really? That's it. Okay. That's it. Let's leave. That was no fun. Examine bookshelves, painting, and walls. You never know what you might discover. AKA hidden paths and whatnot. Okay. Would you load a little faster? Come on. Load a little faster. I know you can do it. Oh, you're right there. Don't leave me hanging like that. Come on. Loading bar. You can do this. There you go.
It's a passing thing, sir. I'm sure of it, not the gloom.
In 2 days, 10 men
He's got the
claim
gloom.
his property for the crest. And have them bring a cart.
Okay. Parkour it. Okay, where do I go from here? Let's go in here. Open. Come on. Come on. There you go. Okay. Can I take one of those swords? Oh, it's like the weirdest door. There's like no handle or anything on it. Okay, where do I... What? A book, a newspaper, a crazy pimp pen, ink bundle, nothing. Nothing. Yep, nothing. Of course. Nothing. Oh, no, there's something in that one. And nothing. Okay. What are you? New instructions? Okay, was this just like a side place to go, or like... I don't even know what the point is. That was like weird. That wasn't even like worth going into. Do I have to pop this open again? I just did this. It's just like a waste of time. Okay. Let's crouch. Make things a little quieter. Are you dying? You're dying, aren't you? Open. The crippled Burke. Yes. Why not? This looks like a lively place. It doesn't look fancy, but it looks like a lively place. I love how there's a guy on the right just like passed out drunk already. You're a good-looking fellow.
I would have went for the pickle jar basso, a lot more weight.
Garrett. Shit.
Damn.
I see you still can't work a door. You don't come to see me,
Yeah,
you
I
don't
can.
write. I thought both you and Aaron had been killed in the mansion attack. Where the hell have you
We
been?
had been.
I don't know.
You don't know. Fine. Forget it. Far be it for me to pry about where you've been for the last fucking year.
Year?
I don't have time for this. Especially with the Baron's new duty on opium, thanks to this gloom sickness, not to mention the thief-taker general's black tax, squeezing us entrepreneurs.
Oh, that's the bird.
If you got a job for me, let's hear it.
you sure you're up to it? Okay, so here's the gig. I need you to obtain a ring for me.
Getting married?
Never again, huh? You mangy
Never
bird.
again. Ow.
I swear one day I'm gonna have you made into a hat.
And lose the brains of the outfit.
I'm running
Yeah.
out of fingers.
Good job, Basso. Good job.
Yeah, right. Belongs to a guy named Cornelius Greaves, one of those hoity-toity types who doesn't have any shit on his boots. Here you go.
What's the catch?
He's dead.
I'm a thief, Basso, not a grave robber.
Only recently deceased. My sources say he never took the ring off.
Doesn't seem much of a challenge.
Challenge. We'll be getting to him before the Carters pick him over. Rumor has it they've been taking bodies to that old foundry near Cinderfall. Crawling with the Baron's guards for some reason. Now, best way to that place is through the old chapel.
Okay.
And, don't screw this up, Garrett. Some of us still need to pay our dues.
You can't tax what you can't catch.
Yeah, get out of here. And you use the door? Please? Still, it's good to see you.